So today we are going to study a new phylum, phylum 10, Hemichordata. Hemichordata. Earlier, this Hemichordata was kept as a subphylum, kept as the subphylum in the phylum Chordata. So initially it was kept as the subphylum Hemichordata, under the phylum Chordata. To understand, initially it was kept as the subphylum Hemichordata under the phylum Chordata. Now it is kept as a separate phylum, phylum Hemichordata. In non-chordata. In the non-chordata. So initially it was kept as a subphylum Hemichordata under the phylum Chordata. Now it is kept as a separate phylum Hemichordata, and it is removed from the Chordata and kept under the non-chordata. Now we have to write some features of the Hemichordata. Hemichordata features, as name indicates, hemi means half. Hemi means half. Greek word, from the Greek word, hemi means half, and chorda means chord. It is derived from Greek word, hemi means half, chorda means chord. So features. What are the features? They are exclusively marine. They are exclusively marine. Exclusively marine. They are found only in the sea. They are not found in the fresh water. And they are the solitary or the colonial. Either they are found in the as individual, or they make a colony. This is so they are found in the form of the solitary as well as in the colonial form. Body is soft. Vermiform. Unsegmented. Unsegmented. Bilaterally symmetrical. bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate. So these are other features. Body is soft, vermiform, unsegmented, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate. So these are a few features, and more features, more important features are there. Organ level. Organ system level. Organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization, and body is divided into and body is divided into anterior, proboscis, collar, and tall trunk. Here we can get tall trunk. And gut is, or digestive tube is, complete. Digestive tube is complete, straight, or U-shaped. So circulatory system, is of open type. Circulatory system is of open type. So these are the two features. One is exclusively marine, means all the members are found only in the sea. Next, in the solitary or the colonial, they may be found as individual or found in a group or the form of the colony. Body is soft, vermiform, unsegmented, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and the coelomate. They have organ system level of organization. Body is divided into anterior, proboscis, collar, and tall trunk. Next one, the digestive tube is complete, straight, or U-shaped. Circulatory system is of open type. So more features are there. Right, more features. The seventh, next one, the 8. So serverless system is a open type, and after iterative system, now iterative system. Iterative system is proboscis gland. Proboscis proboscis gland. And lesson 2, there are the sexes. Sexes are separate. So sexes are separate, and fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. Fertilization external, and development is indirect. Development is indirect, and example is Balanoglasses. Balanoglasses, and one more common example is Sarcoglasses. So these are a few features of the these are the few features of the phylum Hemicardata. Now next phylum, we have to study about the phylum Chordata. So now today we are going to start next phylum Chordata. It is derived from a Latin word that is the chorda. Chorda means rod. Eta means group. So these group of animals having a rod-like structure. So modern features are there. These are the most advanced. This is the most advanced phylum. Most advanced phylum. Most advanced phylum. So here four important features are four distinctive characters. The four four distinctive features are number one, presence of notocard. This notocard is present in all the individuals. That may be found only in some stage of the life. That may be found in the larval stage, or that may be found in the entire life. That may be limited only up to the larval stage, or it may be for the entire life. So notocard is present. The question is, what is the notocard? What is notocard? So notocard is a rod-like structure formed of vacuolated cells. So notocard is a rod-like structure formed of vacuolated cells. Where notocard is present, notocard is present in between the alimentary canal and the nerve cord. In between the alimentary canal and nerve cord. So if you see the structure as a fish, structure of fish, you see such structures may having, this is the anterior point, this mouth may be there, and this mouth having, this is the alimentary canal having different diameters. This is the alimentary canal. This is the alimentary canal, and after that upper side, this is the nerve cord. This is the nerve cord. So this is the upper side, this is the nerve cord, and this is the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. And here in between, this structure is called as notocard. Red colored structure, this is found, this is at the location. This is the notocard. But the red colored structure, this structure is called as the notocard. This is the notocard. So notocard is present in between the nerve cord and alimentary canal. Now, next feature, presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord. Presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord. This is the nerve cord is there. This is nerve cord. So it is formed dorsal hollow nerve cord is present. All the individuals having the dorsal hollow nerve cord. In some cases they may be found only in case of the larval stage, but in some cases they are found in the entire life. So in case of the nerve cord, so anterior end usually enlarged to form the brain. So generally the anterior end enlarged to form brain, while rest part forms spinal cord. Spinal cord. What happens there? This is the anterior part, or mean the anterior most anterior end enlarged to form the brain, while the rest part form the spinal cord. So next feature, the first feature, listen the presence of notochord. Second, presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord. Now third point. So first, now third point, you see. Now this is the third one. Presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Gill slits. Presence of pharyngeal gill slits. So all the individuals having the pharyngeal gill slits, and these gill slits, these are the perforation of the pharynx. It makes a way or make a connection in between the pharynx and outer atmosphere. It makes a connection in between the pharynx and outer atmosphere. So this is the pharynx. Pharynx help in the respiration. Gill slits helps in the respiration. Suppose this is the, if we see about the mouth, this is the mouth is there, and after mouth, next region of the mouth is called pharynx. This region pharynx. So this pharynx is perforated. This is perforated pharynx. So this is the mouth, and after mouth, next region is, as we see in our cases, we have one buccal cavity, one mouth is there, a buccal cavity is there, and after buccal cavity a small pharynx is there. But in this, the pharynx is perforated, minute pores are there in the pharynx. So then given as the perforated pharynx is there, pharynx makes the connection in between the pharynx and the outer atmosphere, and pharynx help in the respiration. So next, fourth feature, this is also important feature, is presence of tail. Presence of post anal tail. All the individuals having the post anal tail is there, and represent the posterior elongation of the body. So next one, the other features. These are the important features, other features, and which are found in the other organisms also. So other features are the chordates. Other features. Four basic features, four important features are other features. Other. What are other features? As their organ system, level of organization. Organ system level of organization and bilateral symmetry and the coelomate. Next feature, heart is present. Heart may be two-chambered, three-chambered, or four-chambered. Digestive system is complete and the complete alimentary canal and kidneys are for osmoregulation and excretion. And the circulatory system is a closed type. Closed circulatory, etc. So many other features are there as you have studied in the organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry and the coelomate. Heart maybe two-chambered, three-chambered, four-chambered, complete alimentary canal. Kidneys are for the osmoregulation and excretion, and the closed circulatory system, paired appendages. So these are the other features of the chordate. So these other features of the chordate. Next day we will discuss about the division of the chordates, classification of chordate. Thank you, that's all.